my boat. I see a secret. A secret is I'm going to get a secret is two vowels. A secret, there is two vowels in here and one vowel. This is vowels. They're not two. There's one. This is one vowel. And two vowels is letters. We see A, be quiet. Then you will listen in your brain. 1, 2, 3. The morning is fish. Mrs. Fish is scary. Let's try again. 1, 2, 3. The morning Mrs. Fish. Mrs. Fish is not there now. Mrs. Fish, please be quiet. Mrs. Fish is quiet now. And we have saying this now. Mrs. Fish is quiet now. Mrs. Fish is better. And we really will say these vowels. Let's try. A equal, let's try again. A equal A, E equal E. I square I, O open O. You beautiful you. Next, jump. Jump all the way to O. You see, jump over. You see, A equal A. You beautiful you. I square I. E equal E. O open O. A equal A. E equal E. You beautiful you. O open O. Then let's say two vowels. There's two vowels in the word. The first one say long sound, and the second one is silent. Let's see again. There's two vowels in the word. The first one say long sound, and the second one is I will say this. I never say this word. I take this. What? Okay. It's so funny. I put in my fish. Let's shoot. Time. What time is it? It's time to, I don't know. But we have practice. We have to pick one here. And I read all this blend together. This. Time, but a bake. Time, bake. B, loaf. Time, bake. B, loaf. Gate. O I like. R rob.